Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, today I'm gonna do my game. My game is from that practical exam. IT plus penguin game. You know? Okay? Okay, Assalamualaikum. To start, you must click the button. Okay, let's click. Thank you. The title is care about environment. Let's play. Then you're gonna take. Okay, hello. If you don't know the particular instruction, how to place the phone, you're gonna tap the trash and then this is gonna add one to lesser to trash. Again and again and again. There. Take good. Nice. Now, okay, go already. Okay, click. We're gonna choose anything good for this. We're gonna choose game for. I can see trash. Please observe for the background. Whoa, already. You win. Good this time. Okay, okay, thank you for playing this game. Assalamualaikum. Okay, I think I'm gonna continue again because we are not already right, gitu. Okay, we'll come again. Now we're gonna another game again. Trip the game back because I'm not already format this still in processing, but Mr. can say they're gonna finish now because it's not the last day. So if there is something or something. You lose, no! It is fun. It's fun. Same. I think so. Tottenham. Okay, talk about trash. Okay, trash is something useful which is made from humans or other character unrecognizable. But there is the instructions for careless with right. Oh, this. Thank you. That non organic and organ. Would would do usapro iman. That meaning purification purific, purification is part of faith. This what can we see? This. Okay, thank you. Uh, now I think I'm gonna show my stuff.
Okay.
Now I think I'm gonna review. I know I'm gonna review. First, I'm back now. Okay, I have 7 backdrop and 31 spike. Yes, this so many but bad because I don't know. I cannot also cannot search it. Okay, left. So many block. Can see if you want in the tutorial. I not make it. I just make it for the because making it take a long time and time not enough make. I saw Disney for make this game before the backdrops and another is this for them. Nick by check. If you asking to me in spot where I did it I'm not for Google or another is make it. It's not hard if you already know the you can use logic. You can use your brain also. So you can use brain. Okay. I think that's all. Sorry if the game that or you cannot hear my song. Sorry too because I'm not in class. I'm not when audition. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Basta say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.